Hi guys, happy Friday. Definitely not Friday. It's Wednesday.
Wow.
I don't know why I thought it was Friday. You can't see me again. What the heck? Oh, there. Oh, we are fresh out of the gym, and we're at Walmart. Gonna go get the stuff for the walk and try to find onesies. I look rough. Look at him. He's cute.
That's ready. It smells so good in here.
It does smell really good.
I love like if you come to Walmart and get their deli, but they have like fried food stuff here. It's good stuff. Good stuff.
I know everything smells good.
It's definitely not good for your waistline, but
for your waistline.
We need tomato.
Yeah. Onion, jalapeno.
We need jalapenos.
Look at this. That's so cute.
Should we grab like
Dylan just found the pumpkins. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. We need like a little fat one.
little fat one?
Do they have any fat ones?
This one?
That one might work.
It's like perfect.
He's cute. Wait, what are they? That one doesn't have a stem.
Yeah. We definitely need.
They're all a little bit like tall.
Because they didn't have any.
That one? That one or this one? I think that one.
I think this one.
Yeah, that one.
That's the only one with chicken dinner.
Yeah. Let's do that one. Oh, you're all like red. No, you're not red anymore. We found them. Oh, baby could be a cow. No, I don't want to be a cow. I want to be a pig. Ooh. Babe, Eeyore!
There you go.
Yay!
There you go. A lot cheaper too.
They are?
$21.87.
They were 20 at Target.
Oh well, that stinks.
Hi guys, so I completely, luckily I put a reminder on my phone to film this because I completely forgot. I was gonna film me making these treats that I've been talking about for like a whole vlog before this. So, right now, you can see, but I have the cookies, the first batch going in right now. I need a little more time. And then over here, I've just been unwrapping all of my Reese's to put on top. I have these for the little eyes. I have black frosting. I can throw that away. I have black frosting for the legs and the eyes, and I have my cookie dough. I've just been watching YouTube. So that's what I've been doing. These are for the spider cookies. Alright, so these just came out, and then you just take your little Reese's that's not gonna focus. Alright, so you just take your little Reese's and you stick it in the middle. Kind of like the Hershey Kiss ones, but we're using Reese's. And these are peanut butter cookies. I just used a mix. Alright, now it's time to start the guac. So I have 2 avocados, 2 tomatoes. We might just use 1, I'm not sure. An onion, red onion, I usually use half. Sorry, my phone's like on YouTube. A jalapeno, I don't know how much I'll use. I'll let you know how much I use of each. I usually use half a lime, but I'm gonna start chopping and mix it all in here. So what I do first is I do the avocado and mash that up really good, and then I like dice well, I don't dice that, that's just juice. I dice these and add them in, and then do some salt, pepper. And I might have to text Julia and ask what else she uses because I don't remember. This is Julia's recipe because it's so good. Like I said, after I put the avocado in here, I just go in and mash it with a fork. So now I've done that, and I think we could have probably gotten one more. This isn't a lot, but now I'm gonna dice up everything and add it. Okay, so I just added everything. Now I'm gonna mix it up and taste test it and see if I need to add anything else. Oh, I need to add salt and pepper. And Julie didn't text me back yet, so I'm just gonna make it up as I go. Okay, so I ended up tasting it and adding a little more lime. It honestly wasn't that juicy, so I had originally used half a lime, and then I added like 3/4 more, kind of. I mean, I like used the whole thing, but it wasn't that juicy, so excuse my mess. But I used about, say, 1/3 of an onion, a full lime. I'd say half to like 3/4 of a lime. I used about a half or a third of a jalapeno, depending on how spicy you want it, and I used 1 whole tomato, so I have 1 left. Yeah, that's how I make my guac, or Julia's guac, or try to make Julia's guac, because Julia's guac is the best. Now Bubby's home and he's cutting the pumpkin for me. This is what we're going for.
It's gonna be a little.
That's okay.
Well,
Doesn't have to be perfect. Oh no, my camera's dying. We just remade it. I stopped filming. Yeah, now if you could just scoop all that out. Yum. Battery life. This is what we're going for. I have different color dyes instead of white, but that's fine because now it's all peanut butter. Oh, these are really melty. Ugh. Hope it's okay. Okay, my battery's literally dying, but this is my first spider. He looks kind of cute. Kind of not like that, but it's fine. Oh, here's our little guy. He's so cute. Babe's over here finishing up the spiders for me because I gotta go get ready. Okay, I just tried to put the salsa in there. It fits perfect. So we can just open it up and put them in there and put the guac down here and put chips. Cute. So we are ready to go. Onesies. We're cute.
Kind of pumped they have pockets.
Yeah, they do. Mine's huge.
Mine's like just right.
My hood's huge. Well, yeah, mine's a large. Yours is an extra large.
What are you trying to say?
These are the final cookies. They're so cute, babe.
Good job, babe.